This is the most terrifying S-level horror film of 2004, Dead So Evil Bird. He finally came. Timid children remember to call their good friends. Let him help you watch the scary footage. The story takes place in Alabama in 1863. A group of robbers robbed a bank, run around with a pile of gold coins, passing through a piece of cornfield. There is a villa looming ahead. Seeing it getting late, Darjon decided to rest inside. After entering the cornfield, they found a scarecrow inside. That was actually a corpse. The well-informed robber didn't leave, and walked straight towards the villa. Suddenly, a monster rushed out of the cornfield, hit with a single shot from curly hair. Only then can others see the appearance of the monster clearly. That's like a skin star, although it feels creepy, but they still didn't care. Continuing into the villa, this place is desolate. Unexpectedly, no one has lived in it for a long time, but as soon as a few people enter, just saw a string of footprints on the ground. Thought it was a homeless man coming in. They quickly searched the house,